Your truck's fuel injector connector tubes are a critical component for the fuel system in your 5.9 Cummins, and over time they can become clogged and degrade, causing hard starts and rough idling. That's why XDP offers the quality replacement you need, the XDP OER series fuel injector connector tubes. Made from top quality materials, this fuel injector connector tube is designed to be a direct fit replacement for the factory connector tubes in your Dodge 5.9 Cummins. Installation is easy and requires no modifications. This XDP OER series fuel injector connector tube is made to meet OE manufacturer quality specifications and comes with a replacement O-ring. This fuel injector connector tube is sold individually, so if you are replacing all 6 injectors, you will need to purchase 6 connector tubes. With XD527, you can be confident that your fuel system is working at its best. Repair your fuel system today and experience the difference for yourself. Shop now at xdp.com or contact a local dealer near you.